Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The idea of a 2025 Bugatti Campervan is an intriguing, if hypothetical, fusion of ultra-luxurious car design with the usefulness of recreational vehicle transportation. To imagine such a car, one must be aware of Bugatti's well-established design philosophy, which is marked by fine craftsmanship, unmatched performance, and the use of exotic materials. This fictitious campervan's exterior would probably combine luxurious design with aerodynamic principles in a seamless manner. Signature Bugatti design elements, such as the C-line, the horseshoe grille, and the painstakingly carved body panels, would be discreetly incorporated into a campervan's bigger form factor. Without a shore, the bodywork would be made of lightweight but very durable materials, possibly including carbon fiber components to preserve Bugatti's performance-focused DNA while allowing for the added mass that comes with a recreational vehicle. The 2025 Bugatti Campervan would go beyond traditional ideas of RV luxury on the inside. The cabin would be a haven of custom materials, such as finely crafted metals, rare wood veneers, and hand-stitched leathers. Luxurious comfort and practical living would be given top priority in the design, which can include modular furniture that easily converts the room from an extravagant living room to a sleeping quarters. Modern integrated technology would include discrete entertainment systems, cutting-edge temperature management, and sophisticated communication choices, all managed by user-friendly interfaces designed with the same level of care as Bugatti's hypercars. Such a vehicle's powertrain is still very much up in the air. However, one may imagine a hybrid system or a specially designed high-performance engine tailored to the requirements of a larger vehicle, taking inspiration from Bugatti's mechanical skill. Despite the vehicle's larger size, the suspension and chassis would be fine-tuned to deliver a ride quality worthy of the Bugatti name, guaranteeing stability and comfort over extended distances. Though it is only a concept, the 2025 Bugatti Campervan highlights how extreme luxury could infiltrate unusual car markets. It appeals to a specific clientele looking for the pinnacle of luxurious travel, since it theoretically combines the freedom of mobile life with high-performance automobile creativity. In the world of luxury transportation, the development of such a vehicle would surely be a daring statement and a tribute to engineering skill.